Let's practice a couple. I've done this one up here. Remember this one? We just did 4 plus 8 times 3. And what's the first thing I do? I observe the math statement and I say, there's 2 signs in here, so I'm going to have to use the rule of order. The next thing I do is read the math signs. There's a plus and a times. A plus and a times. Then the next thing I do is I decide which one I'm going to do first. And which one am I going to do first here, Sally? 8 times 3. So I do that one. And then I exercise the rule of order. So I've done that one. And then I do that. So I'm still exercising it. And I get my answer, which is 28. And then I relax. I'm done. All right, let's see. Jessica, what should I do first? Oh, tell me what I do first. I observe. I observe. Now, do I have 2 different math operations in here? Yes, I do. So, since I do, what do I do next, Jessica? I read the math signs. What are the math signs in this problem, Jonathan? Divide and take away. Right. Those are, I read the signs and it's divide and take away. Now, Marin, I have to do what? I have to decide which one to do first. And I use my rule of order. Many dogs are smelly. So which one am I going to do first? You're going to divide first. Very good. So I'm going to divide first. Let's see. Michelle, why don't you come on up here and exercise. You need a little exercise. Look. Okay, so exercise. Now, Marin told you you're going to divide first. Think you can do that division problem? I know that's a tough one for a 4th grader. All right, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So she divided first, and then what does she do? Tell me. Oh, tell me louder. Subtract. All right, go ahead and subtract. Okay, so you've done this part. Now where are you going to subtract? 2. Got it. Right. She exercised. Is she done? So what do you do now? You relax. Pat yourself on the back. You did a good job, Michelle. Good job. All right. Let's see. Alex. What do I do next? I read the signs. Come on up here and read these signs for us. Okay, she's read the signs for us. Now what does she do? She decides. What is she going to decide? Michael? Which one to do first? And what does she use to decide, Marin? Right, many dogs are smelly. Erin, what does she decide? What does she use? She uses what? Many dogs are smelly. Right. She decides because she uses many dogs are smelly. So she decides here. Which one is she going to do first, Erin?
5 times 5.
She's going to do 5 times 5. Go for it, Alex. All right, 5 times 5 is 25. Now what does she do? Kim, what does she do next? She subtracts 5. And let's see, Molly, what's her answer going to be? 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. So she decided, she exercised, and now what does she do? She relaxes. All right. See if you can do this one on your sheet. Okay? See if you can do this one on your sheet of your desk.
Nice sketch.
8 minus 9. 4 times 8 minus 9. Now you're going to use the rule of order. You're going to observe, read, decide, exercise, and when you finish, you can relax. I'm going to ask somebody come up. Somebody's using the rule of order. Somebody else use the rule of order? My eyes are old, Lindsay. I can't see that little. Check at your tables and make sure that everybody's using the rule of order. Is everybody using the rule of order? Check at your tables.